This is the big day. Jay's getting dressed.
Man, you arrived at 5:30 in the morning, carrying clothes.
When was he supposed to be there?
No one told me. If I knew, I would have woken up earlier. I always think I'm waking up early, and they're always here half hour earlier than I think is the earliest they would arrive.
Pretty sharp. Do we wear pants underneath? Or no?
The hammer pants.
We can't wear pants.
Like little boxers. Or you go commando. I'm not gonna say which. This is Tig, and this is
Neem.
Neem. Chris, you have to get ready. Your name. Oh, inside. So first,
Hammer time.
carefully pull everything out. Don't touch this.
I have sexy boxer briefs on right now. I want to scare the ladies.
And then tie it in a knot. Very tight knot. Very, very tight. And then you fold it out.
I look more like Bruce Willis in this
Yes.
wife beater, which I never wear.
And then you fold it over and over like 5 times. And then you carefully make sure that the pleats are nice and clean. And fold it down. And then up and under. This is the reach around, folks. And then into the ass.
The insert.
The insert. The reach around and then the insert.
I just got filled up.
Now, is this better than renting a tux?
Hell yes.
Yeah, I agree.
Even if I get married in the States, this is what I'm wearing. Glad this is done in the morning because this could be a little sweaty.
Yeah, I agree. It's actually a really, really hot day today in Khon Kaen.
And this is me. Oh my god. Should we go down and get some meat sticks in these?
I'm not moving, man. I'm moving as little as possible.
We gotta send somebody out.
If they can cart me over there in a wheelchair, I'll do it.
We are white men. We must move conservatively to
You like that?
abstain from sweating. Any sudden movements could cause excess sweating. We just realized that we're wearing Dr. Evil style shirts.
Dr. Evil.
I mean, not to make light of the
Mini me. You're just not evil enough. Evil like the Diet Coke of evil.
Why are you laughing at me? What, is it something? Do I have something in my teeth?